Welcome to PlagScan. This tutorial shows how to use the authormetrics feature. It is our ghostwriting detection and stylometry analysis tool within PlagScan. There are two ways you can make use of this tool, through the document manager or through assignments. Let's look at both. Through the document manager, you can select all documents or select only particular documents of interest. In this case, I will select these and then click on the authormetrics button. We will shortly see the documents we have selected being compared with the authormetrics tool with the different measurements available within the tool. If a specific measurement is much higher or lower than the average of the selected documents, we will see it being marked with either red or blue color. The rating displays where measure points were found to be higher than the standard deviation. Now let's take a look at the authormetrics tool being used through the assignments. Here we have the list of submissions, where similarly as in the document manager, we can select several or all submissions to be compared. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.